Hello everyone. So far in this series we have seen part 1 and part 2, that is how to teach individual sounds to kids and how to teach them to identify the beginning sound, and with the help of these two we saw how to teach two letter words blending. Today we'll be seeing how to teach kids to read three letter words, that is three letter words blending with the help of two letter words. Let's quickly see how to do that, and before that, if you are new to this channel, do please check out the previous videos in this series. I have provided the link in the description box below. Do please check. We saw two letter words blending using vowels, and under A we have 7 families of three letter words. I'm not going to read out all the words, that will take time, so I'm going to take only at family words. I'm writing the word at here, and in the front I'm leaving a blank space. If the kids are thorough with two letter words, they might be able to read this AT as at. Now let's place different letters on the blanks here. Let's take the word bat. Here the first letter is the beginning sound that we saw in the part 1 of the series, and the last two letter is two letter word blending that we saw in part 2 of the series. This is how the kid is going to read. The beginning sound here is B. The last two letters here makes at, B, at, bat. Kids will read the beginning sound first, then they will read the two letter word. Finally, they will blend the two sounds as a single word.
B and fan, F and fan, K and can, P and pan, B and pan, J and jam.
So this is the method to teach three letter words, and these are the 7 sets of three letter words under vowel A. I will show you each set separately. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of it, and later on you can take a note of it. In the next video, I will show you all the three letter words under vowel E. That's all for this video. If you find the video useful, do please give a like. Do please subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the videos in this series. Thanks for watching.